Ever wished you could use that familiar phone number your customers already know with the power of Twilio? Today, we'll show you exactly how to do it. Bringing your existing phone number to Twilio, a process called number porting, is simpler than you might think, and it allows you to maintain customer trust while unlocking Twilio's advanced communication capabilities. The first crucial step is to log into your Twilio Console. Once you're in, navigate to the Phone Numbers section and look for the option to bring your own number or port a number. This will initiate the number porting process. Twilio will guide you through a series of required documents to verify your ownership of the number. This typically includes a letter of authorization, LOA, and a recent phone bill from your current provider. After submitting your documentation, Twilio will begin the verification process with your current carrier. This step can take some time, from a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on your carrier and location. You'll receive regular updates from Twilio on the progress of your porting request. It's important to keep an eye on your email for these notifications and respond promptly if any further information is required. Once your number is successfully ported and verified, it will appear in your Twilio account, ready for you to configure with SMS, voice, or any other Twilio service you need. Congratulations! You've now successfully integrated your familiar phone number into Twilio, retaining your identity and ready to enhance your customer communications. Thanks for watching.